Hey, how are you? Today we're brought by this great big long thing here. Usually I try to be short and succinct, but I had to use the word impactful because I'm trying to impress upon this audience that a tax receipt isn't just a logistical nightmare, something that you have to do, a transactional thing that the government requires. So here's the money you gave us, we were appreciative, but here's the formality of a tax receipt. In fact, many people are treating it like such an inconvenience that it's such a transactional thing that I'm sure actually reduces the relationship that you're trying to build with your donor. You work really hard to get a donor. Yeah, a new donor is so valuable. It might be hundreds of dollars spent to get a new donor, and your first message back to them is a generic email that often will go unopened and will sometimes end up in a spam folder. If you probably have never checked the statistics of who's opened your tax receipt emails, but then who can find them at tax season? In fact, it's already hard enough for people to find their tax receipts that are mailed back to them in direct mail pieces that look just like another ask. So if you're also trying to make an impact and you're putting tax receipts in pieces of mail that look like another ask, or you're sending emails that look like a transactional thing, or like the other 20 emails you sent that month, it's no wonder people lose their tax receipts, and then also kind of wonder whether or not the charity really even thanked them and cares a lot. And you do. I know that's why you do, and so you want to have impactful tax receipts. And sending only digital ones or sending ones sporadically. Did I hear recently that somebody's 3 to 6 months behind in their tax receipts? They're tens of thousands of tax receipts behind. Like, COVID's a tough time. Your mailroom's down. You're trying to find solutions. We've got a bunch of them. Here's where the sales pitch comes in. I know you want to say thank you. I know you want to make impactful messages to your donors. We have ways of doing that through automation that make it easier to be able to outsource that kind of stuff than ever before. Last year, we negotiated hard, and we lobbied basically with Canada Post to reduce the postage rate on tax receipts. So you no longer have to send them at letter mail and they can go as personalized mail. How are you able to do that? Are you doing it in your shop? Are you able to do it in your current situation where you're doing if you want to know ways of cutting the postage nearly in half for your tax receipts and thank you notes, give us a call. You want to have impactful tax receipts. You want to say thank you and be impactful to your donors. You know what that means. Longer lifetime value.